Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, Wednesday, it's here already. Isn't this week just flying past? We've got a good one lined up for you today. I'll run through this stuff. First of all, the brush that I normally show you, it's all ready. I'm sorry, I've had parcels and packages coming and going. I thought I heard the bus. Brush. Normally have it in the official John Shea Super Soaker. See, it looks like that. But I've already whipped the soap up. Look, in the Captain's Choice bowl. Absolutely wonderful, I tell you. Oh, it smells absolutely fantastic. Here it is, sent to me by Daz McGuinness. Thank you, Daz. And that is Keepsake Fruitcake by PAA in the CK6 formula. There it is, guys. Oh my word, it smells. What am I getting? Do you know what? I think I'm getting like brown sugar. Like caramelised, demerara rich cooking brown sugar, you know? Here we go. Right on this website. Scent profile. Candied fruit, butter, coconut, maple sugar, vanilla, cake batter, and spiced rum. It smells absolutely fantastic. You know what it smells like, guys? It smells like a lovely fresh fruitcake, a lovely fresh Christmas cake, a really expensive, rich, boozy Christmas cake. That's what I pick up with that, and we've got it all the way up. Do you want to talk about the heating properties of copper? I put just a little bit of hot water in there in the kitchen, a little bit, poured it in, put the kettle back, picked it up like that, burnt the tips of my fingers. I kid you not, unbelievable. The lovely warm lather in there. Got it lathered up. Saved a bit of time in the video. It smells absolutely fantastic. I'll show you a bit more of the lather in a minute. Razor for today, here we go. Timeless, check that out. I've put the old handle back on it. I did get the new handle for it, can you see that? Timeless, it says ti9.5, timeless 0.95 blade gap. And in there, thank you to Christopher Thompson, we're going to be putting a silver star. Can you see a theme? Keepsake Fruitcake, silver star, timeless razor. Oh, now if you're wondering, I got a picture of the Keepsake Fruitcake label off the internet and superimposed it over a sterling soap pot. You know, for the thumbnail, just to make the thumbnail look a bit better. I like a nice thumbnail. There you go, we'll put that in there. We'll put that in there. And we'll put that in the official John Shea Super Soaker. Okay, the balm. We've got almonds. Almond balm. Lovely, sweet marzipan cakes. Fruitcake. What about the aftershave? I hear you all asking. So here it is. Here's the box for it. Cheap and cheerful. We get this in a shop over here, guys. I saw this in Poundland. There you go. Lynx aftershave. Intense chocolate. And there it is. There's the bottle. It smells nice. It smells like a nice cologne aftershave. But you get that subtle hint. The chocolate isn't overpowering at all. To me, it smells like, you know, you walk in a room and 2 or 3 people have all been sat eating chocolate and you go, it's not chocolate. You know, that kind of subtle hint of after taste of chocolate. It's quite nice. So, all in all, here we go. Hey, I don't know whether to have a shave or just switch the camera off and eat the ingredients. Oh, here we go. Let's crack on. It's a Wednesday shave. Busy week, guys. I've been off, but I just haven't stopped. Let's get some of this lather on the brush and I will show you. That's not a bad looking lather. The scent strength, now Dad sent me this. Oh, it's wonderful. When it's been sat in there in that little sample pot for a while, so the scent strength, oh, it's wonderful. It smells absolutely fantastic. I would put this at about a 6. But you can certainly smell it. It's very aromatic. You can smell it in the bathroom. Doesn't fill the bathroom, but certainly hanging around here, you can certainly smell it, and it may have filled it by the time I leave. So how have you all been? The world's gone absolutely bonkers, hasn't it? Do you know what it feels like? I said to my wife, I think it's like everybody's said to themselves, oh, we've missed the last 2 Christmases because of lockdown, so we'll go bonkers this year. Oh my word. You see people, 96 loaves of bread, 400 litres of milk. I've got to get stocked up, John, got to get stocked up. The shop's shut for 12 hours. Right, here we go. Timeless razor. Hey, look, Lloyd Christmas is on his way back. What about next Christmas? I got Lloyd Christmas. Got to go, maybe go and get a haircut. Are you doing anything over the holidays? We've got time off. I'm off on holiday this week. So I've been doing little jobs around the house, cleaning out the den a bit. Completely forgot about this sample. I apologise, Daz. Sorting stuff out, fishing around. Found it and was like, oh, well, there you go. I was going to use something else. I'll use that on the Saturday show. Yeah. There is going to be a Saturday shave. Oh. Remember, guys, this time of year, I know people get very low, very down. We're bombarded with these images of family and love, and that's okay. But if you haven't got a family, what if your family don't show you love, or you're just feeling unloved? Name of this channel, johnshaves101@gmail.com. How easy is that to remember? If you think it all gets a bit much for you and you're feeling low, drop me an email and I'll email you back. You can talk to me about anything. It doesn't have to be shaving related. Talk to me about anything, guys. Anything that gets you talking, elevates your thinking, and lets you know that you're not alone. So that's that. It's timeless. It's an absolute wonderful razor. I've got 2 handles for it. I think the other one I've got in there is called the crown handle. This is the handle that came with it. Does anybody know what the name of that handle is? I can't. I'm finding as I was okay. I was okay till I hit 55. Now it just seems that my memory's just slowly disappearing, you know? Oh my word. I can remember whole conversations I had with my mother stood at the kitchen sink when I was 5. Cannot remember the name of that timeless razor handle my wife bought me for my anniversary a couple of years ago. So let me know what your shave of the day is. Let me know if you feel so inclined, what you're doing for the weekend. And let me know, as always, what you think of the shave. Good and bad. My wife said to me, do you know when you say good and bad, you're inviting criticism? And I said, well, do you know what, good? I'm not too proud to have anybody say to me, I didn't like that and I thought you were wrong about this. Honestly, you literally can say anything you like to me, guys. I really don't mind. I've got a hide like a rhinoceros. And some would say a nose like one as well. Oh my word. But yeah, honestly, I don't think you can do YouTube. The complaints, the emails I've had, guys, complaints of people. Honestly, I had one guy, he was furious. He emailed me, apparently bought a soap and it didn't smell as I described it. So, Lather mittens, look, that's 3 passes, isn't it? Look at that. He held me personally, the tone of his email, guys, honestly. He was virtually asking me for a refund, you know? Oh yeah. Okay. Your refund's in the post. Just send me $24.99 for the envelope and shipping. Oh, there you go. Come on, that's us. We're done. What's that, 3 passes? Do you see what I mean? I'm rushing it. I'm rushing it because I've got a lot to do, guys. But I do like the routine of getting that video out there every Wednesday and every Saturday. If I can, you know, just get it out there. And I just know there's hordes of young ladies like the Dallas cheerleaders and others of their type, all just sat waiting. If I didn't upload on a Wednesday, they'd be devastated, along with the all-female women synchronised swimming team. Right, enough of this inane drivel. Oh, here we go. Let's get some of this on. I'll do a longer, slightly more. Oh yes. Do you know, it really does smell like you've just snapped a bar of Bourneville dark chocolate. Oh, it smells absolutely wonderful. I tell you what. Did I tell you what I did when I bought this? I said to my wife, you're going to have to go and get some chocolate from... No, I'm not going to. I went in and put a load of that on. About 15 minutes later, when I sat in the living room, she said, I just feel like a little piece of chocolate, do you? Trust me, guys, you have to employ these little tactics. And she got up, went to the shop and bought us a bar of chocolate to share. Well, do you know what? That balm is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I've heard it on the grapevine, guys. They're not doing Aquavelva 5-in-1 anymore. I'm absolutely devastated. Christopher Thompson sent me a tube in there. I'll be using it sparingly from now on. And I'll be crying when that's gone. But there you go. That's it. That's how we shave. Hey, we did alright, didn't we? Look at that. Pretty smooth. It's pretty smooth, actually. No cuts, no nicks, no weepers, no creepers, no bubbles, no troubles, no laughs, no... Big long list. Oh, honestly, guys, look at that. 12 minutes. This one was a flyer, wasn't it? But I appreciate it. This time of year, I'm busy, you're busy, everybody's busy. But do you know what? We're not too busy to think of other people. And that's John's motto for today. Think about that. And it's not just think is what somebody said to me once. Is it think is a verb or love is a verb? It requires action. Look after yourselves, guys, and I will see you all on Saturday. For the Saturday, make sure it's for the Saturday shave. Take care.